Hello guys, this is Anton Bacon. Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve problem with AdSense verification. If you did not get any PIN yet, or if you lost the PIN, or somehow there is problem with your old PIN, then you can request a new PIN. If you want to request a new PIN, you have to wait at least 30 days. After 30 days you can request a new PIN. So before requesting a new PIN, you have to verify your address and contact number, name, etc. You can check this video to know the process. At first you have to sign in your Google AdSense account. Then go to settings, click on payments, enter your information, this process may not work if you change the country. Now change your information whatever you want, but please do not change the country information. If you change the country information, it may not work. Whenever you have done with the address, now change your information whatever you want, but please do not change the country information. If you change the country information, it may not work. Whenever you have done with the address, now you have to generate a new PIN, or you have to request a new PIN. To request a new PIN, you have to go to default reports. When you will request a new PIN, Google will show you a dialog box to confirm your address. So if you think your address is perfect, then you have to click on yes, generate and mail PIN. Then Google will mail your PIN number to your mailing address you have mentioned. Now you have to wait almost 2-3 weeks to arrive your PIN at your mailing address, and inside the envelope you will see the PIN number. Remember this, you have to use this PIN once, but if there is a typing mistake or something else, you can try up to 3 times. If you use more than 3 times, it will not work. Now log into your AdSense account, and from the top you can see activation, and click on activation. And there you will have an option to enter PIN. Enter your PIN and click on submit PIN. That's it, you are done. Now reload the page. This was the video for today. Hope this will help you to verify your AdSense account so that you can earn. If you like my video, don't forget to like. If you have any question, please write on my comment. I'll try my best to answer. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the new videos as soon as it is on the YouTube. If you want, you can share with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video. Bye bye. Ta-da.